Condor's heavy duty kukri. Stick around. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is Condor's heavy duty kukri. This is the first one that came out. It's pretty thick. It's a pretty thick beast, as you can see here. I do like the design, I do like the style. Has that walnut traditional grip right there. Very large lanyard hole there. Brass rivets or pins, I believe. And it comes relatively sharp. The sheath is the traditional sheath. Comes in this nice leather sheet. It is a dangler, one side only. It does come with 2 button snaps. Condor always makes really good leather products. I don't want you to confuse my other video with the tactical kukri designed by Alan Kay. This is the original. This is the one that came after. If you're interested in this, what I would do is go ahead and go back to that video and watch it. This is the one that I carry most often. And I know I didn't do a video on this, so I wanted to make sure I caught you guys up. All right, so let's do a little bit of testing on this one. A little batoning shouldn't be a problem. I think it would be. Man, that thing's nice. This is dead standing. Let's see how this works. Well, alright guys, this is dead standing. So I'm just gonna give it a couple good whacks, see how it is. Alright guys, so it's actually pretty still sharp. It's actually pretty sharp still. Couple things. Because of this big round handle, I felt that it kept slipping out of my hand as I was using it and as I was cutting it. Now it is very, very thick, which is nice. That's a little bit over 1/4 of an inch, maybe 5/16. It's very thick, it's very heavy duty, but the problem is the weight's not up at the front. So if I was gonna swing it all day, I kind of felt like I was swinging it with my whole arm and shoulder. Again, everything's frozen out here, so I will give it a pass on a lot of things because everything, including the wood, all the woods is frozen out here, so I get that. But again, as a #1 survival tool, I think what I would want, and I already ordered it, is the longer version of this. I think it's the King Kukri that Condor makes, and what they did is they extended the blade. I think that's a better way to go. When I get it in, I'll test it against all 3 of my Condor Kukris. I think these things are excellent blades, but again, for out here, even though it's a lightweight option or a lighter weight option, I think I would probably want to refine that bevel a little bit. It's more like a fat axe This bevel is just huge. It's almost, it almost barely bites in. So it's good for splitting, but it's not good for biting in. 1075, I believe, is the steel, but I would definitely refine this axe. I would refine the Kukri blade edge. So I don't know if you can see the edge. I'll try to roll it in for you a little bit. But it's a very, very thick edge. And that thick edge just is great for splitting, but not great for cutting. And out here, you need all the advantages that you can get. So I also think that a lot of people fantasize about Kukris. They were in a million freaking movies. The Nepalese army, they use this, I get it. You know, great combat weapon, overall jungle weapon, that kind of thing. And I think people have a love for these things. And so do I. I wouldn't be surprised. I would not say that I was not caught up in the Kukri style knife. But I think that as an overall tool, you need to do a little bit better. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. Like, subscribe, share. Like, subscribe, share. Put comments down below if you have one of these. Also, become a Patreon member. Only costs you $1 a month. Get on the mailing list. Go to threeriverblades.com. Check out all the knives that I have up there. Go all the way down to the bottom. First name, last name, and email address. That's how you're going to get a discount on all my blades. So that's it, guys. Thanks very much, and as always, stay safe.